Today we're going to go over everything that comes with the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 Creator Combo. The camera and its accessories come in this nice neoprene bag. The material is thick and the zipper has some weight. It feels like a quality bag. Let's pull out. This is the camera itself. It comes with a hard case and it's made especially for the DJI camera. You can see here there is a microphone in the back of the camera. Oops. And I am demonstrating the controls and the power. There's also an LCD screen and a place to input your SD card. That's where the USB charger goes. And there's another microphone on the side. And a microphone on the back as well. I think it has microphones on both sides. This is the wide angle lens that comes with the Creator Combo. And it magnetizes to the hard case, so it is safely stored when you're not using it. The other items that are in the bag and come with the Creator Combo are an extended battery. That's the release button, and it has a 1/4-inch screw for tripods and other accessories. And then a USB charging slot as well. The next thing that comes in is the microphone that comes with it. It does come with a windscreen and can connect via Bluetooth to your DJI Osmo Pocket 3. There's the power and some indicator lights, a Bluetooth linking button, a record button, and a USB button to recharge. And this is the P-Popper windscreen for the microphone. Everything fits really nicely in this case. So I do appreciate the form factor. Here's another battery, not as large of a battery. It does have a 1/4 inch screw for accessories and a USB-C charging slot on the back. And the last thing that comes with it is the tripod. So you can screw the tripod into the battery accessories, and it's really good for flat surfaces, not so great for surfaces that aren't flat. This is the magnet that you can put on the back of the microphone to hold your microphone onto your clothing or apparel. It's a pretty strong magnet. And that's everything that comes in the package.